Breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day. Not only does it give you energy, but it gives you protein. And if you eat the right meal, it'll start your day off with a bang.
Chengdu people value breakfast. We like to have a big breakfast in the morning, but what do local Chengdu people have in the morning?
My name is Jake Homovich, and today I'm here with breakfast expert Viki. I'm really excited to have 3 different meals today.
Breakfast all day. Let's go, Jake.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the menu for them.
Okay. Wow, which one looks good?
There's a lot of ones. So they have their signature dish, flavored soybean milk.
Fresh soybean milk was originated in China with a history of 2,000 years back when in the West Han Dynasty, Emperor Huai'an firstly invented the bean juice, whereas deep-fried dough sticks it firstly appeared in the South Song Dynasty. Our national hero Yue Fei was set up to be killed by Qin Hui and his wife, so people put 2 doughs together and then fry them into a pot and eat them to let go their grudges. So youtiao has another name of 油炸烩.
Here we go. Here we go.
Very left.
Put your phone down.
Wow, that.
Oh, that looks
这
amazing.
个是叶儿粑，
Yerba.
是老坛豆芽，我们这儿的特产。
Oh.
这个是黄油糕，这油条，奶油哈。
Smell it? Did you smell any difference than the normal one you had?
Smells a little bit more sour than I'm used to.
Yeah, this one is they have lauzer in it. The fermented glutinous rice soup with soybean milk mixed together.
So you take one up, right?
Take one.
Split it. Amazing. And then you just dip it right in?
Yes.
Okay. Let's try this. Get it right in there. Give it a good bath. Then you just pop it in your mouth.
Pop in yours. Get all the flavors. You like it?
That's great. And I like the little rice kernels they pop in your mouth.
That's lauzer.
Lauzer. This kind of reminds me of a food we have back in America. It's called funnel cake. We usually eat it during celebrations. During the summer times, we'll have what's called a fair, a carnival, and lots of people come. We'll have rides and we'll have animal competitions and stuff. It's a really fun time. But only once per year do we get to eat something like this.
This one here, it's a traditional Chinese dish, yerba.
Yerba.
So yer means the leaf outside, wrapped it. Yerba is like a cake. Like
I've never had anything like this. I'm so excited. Cheers.
cheers.
Eat me. Kind of got like a sweet, not really sweet, but like a salty, umami taste. It kind of bursts the flavor once it gets into your mouth.
It's a deep fried rice cake. This is also a traditional breakfast.
It's caramelized. It looks like really delicious.
Yeah. ASMR.
Oh, thank you. 谢谢.
No, thank you.
Oh yeah. 你吃火锅，我吃火锅底料。Whoa. Vicky told me local Chengdu people always have fei chang fen and guohui together. It is a local traditional meal that has been popular since the Qing dynasty. One famous one, called the Baijia Fei Chang Fen, has more than 100 years of history. It originated in the Baijia township of Shuangliao County, here in Chengdu. The most famous guokui, Juntun guokui, originated in the town of Junle, Pengzhou in Chengdu. Guokui can be traced back to the period of Shangzhou when, due to the shortage of food equipment in the army, soldiers began to roll balls of dough and then put them in their helmets to roast, and thus the guokui was born.
Excuse me，问一下，我可以试试看吗？翻几个。
翻一个嘛。
哎，卖锅盔，卖锅盔。
Our chef Jake. Wow. Oh my god. That's the intestine best matches. They are best matches.
Oh, it's okay. Oh yeah. It's really good. The vermicelli is so soft and poppy. It's very freshly made, and the taste of the stomach is really, really good. It almost tastes like almost like chicken a little bit.
Intestine.
With the intestine, yeah.
Guokui cheese.
Okay, dip it in there.
Dip. Okay. Wow.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
It's soggy and flaky, almost buttery, delicious. With this specific bowl of noodles and the guokui, you get a lot of the ma, like the numbing spices that get into your mouth, and you also get a lot of a lot of the chili oil that's in there, so you get this trifecta of flavors. Bye bye. Bye. This it.
Wow.
I'm pretty full right now. Eating two giant meals like that can really make you feel like you're stuffed.
How are you feeling though? Do you like them?
Yeah, I loved it. I really loved the experience. It was delicious.
Next time we will take you to more to see Chengdu food.
What are we gonna eat next time?
You'll find out next time.
All right.